Fatty liver disease is a significant health issue that is commonly found, especially in men, and should never be overlooked. Regardless of gender, fatty liver disease can lead to health problems. The liver is the heaviest and largest organ in our body and holds a crucial place due to its functions. It is responsible for processing proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and medications in the body. Fatty liver disease, known in medical terms as hepatosteatosis, refers to the accumulation of excess fat in liver cells. There can be several reasons for this condition, including obesity, particularly abdominal fat accumulation, sedentary lifestyle, poor dietary habits, alcohol consumption, and certain medications. People with fatty liver disease commonly share characteristics such as poor nutrition, obesity, and a sedentary lifestyle. Additionally, this disease often coexists with insulin resistance, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. Research indicates that many individuals who change their lifestyle and eating habits and lose weight experience a reduction in fat accumulation. Therefore, if you have fatty liver disease, the first thing you should do is reconsider your lifestyle. Dietary recommendations for fatty liver disease align with the Mediterranean diet. This diet includes plant-based proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and fish while limiting unhealthy, saturated and trans fats, sodium, sugar, and fatty meats. What should people with fatty liver disease eat? Fatty liver disease, affecting 1 in 5 adults in our country, is a serious health concern. According to the American Liver Foundation, approximately 25% of the population and 75% of obese individuals have fatty liver disease. It is a response of the liver to various forms of damage. The liver has a regenerative capacity, but to achieve this regeneration, some changes in our diet are necessary. To reduce the burden on the liver, natural foods should be preferred, and additives should be avoided as much as possible. The consumption of fibrous foods such as vegetables and fruits should be increased, with at least 5 servings of vegetables and fruits consumed daily. Especially foods friendly to the liver like artichokes and celery should be included in the diet. Artichokes are known for cleansing the liver and facilitating the easy flow of bile. Nuts and seeds like walnuts and hazelnuts, containing antioxidant components, including vitamin E, should be included in your daily diet. Vegetables from the Brassicaceae family, such as Brussels sprouts and broccoli, are known for their high fiber content and unique flavors. These vegetables also contribute positively to your health with their beneficial components. Studies suggest that Brassicaceae vegetables may increase natural detoxification enzymes in your liver, protect the liver from damage, and improve enzyme levels. What should people with fatty liver disease avoid? Avoid consuming alcohol. Stay away from deli products such as sausages, salami, sukuk, and offal. Avoid excessive consumption of nuts and fried foods. Reduce consumption of high carbohydrate and simple sugar foods. Avoid animal fats such as butter, lard. Limit the consumption of fatty foods such as cream, fatty meats, mayonnaise. Consume omega-3 to prevent fatty liver disease. Omega-3 is generally associated with heart health and strong memory, but it has many positive effects, from treating depression to diabetes and even liver health. A study on the metabolic effects of omega-3 fatty acids suggests that these compounds may offer greater benefits than previously thought and may have a significant impact on preventing fatty liver disease. A cup of coffee a day is good for fatty liver disease. According to research, caffeine is beneficial for fatty liver disease. The study found that those who drank coffee every day had less fatty liver disease compared to those who did not. If you already enjoy a cup of coffee a day, that's an advantage, but if you don't, I recommend consulting your doctor. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and support me by turning on notifications for more content. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments for us to shape future videos. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video.